guys, good evening. This is my second video on Monday 22nd June 2020, and I have appeared before you for the second day, and today I am going to present before you my today's analysis regarding what are the steps I would like to take tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty futures. As I said in my yesterday's analysis that I am bullish in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Both moved today in the side direction but could not sustain this move and have lost much of their gains they have made today. I have already discussed yesterday these levels of resistance and support zones that Nifty is going to face, 10317.6 and 10109. Nifty cannot sustain above this level until and unless it gives a closing above this high, this 10375. Nifty will try to retrace, and we should wait for a decent retracement until it comes to my sweet zone. This is my sweet zone. You can see I have written already. But Nifty can also make a second scenario, that is, it can make a gap up tomorrow and give a closing above this 10375. In that case, I would wait for the retest of this level, this 10375, 10317, 10310, up to this level it can come down and again start moving up. Whenever I get a bullish candlestick signal or pattern in this zone, if it goes up and comes back, I will initiate the trade, the long trade, and put the stop loss beyond this level 10109 on the closing basis for a target of 10678, 680 to 10700, round figure. And this is the daily chart. Until now I was discussing the hourly chart. You can see it hourly, and this way today I have discussed both the scenarios that can happen with Nifty tomorrow and what will be my actions accordingly. I am against guessing or being prejudgmental, and I believe in one thing, that is, let the market sort herself and arrange her in such a way that it comes to the position where I would feel comfortable to take the trade. Yet, if asked, I would say that I feel that the market has a high probability to make a gap up tomorrow, though there is a divergence in the Bollinger Bands. Contrary one can also happen. So what I have said, if the market opens below this zone, makes a gap down and comes to this zone, anyhow I get this in this zone and get a bullish candlestick pattern over here, I would like to take the long position with this level, this 10030 level as my closing base stop loss. Else, if it gaps up, I will wait for the market to retrace to this zone. Both the scenarios I have discussed. Same is with the Bank Nifty. You can see same the scenarios. Here is the sweet zone. If it gaps up tomorrow and comes down here to retest this zone, this is the hourly chart. You can see I am there to take the trade, of course the long trade. But if it retraces to this zone tomorrow, this sweet zone, I am also going to take the long trade with this zone being my this 10292 sorry guys, 20972 as my stop loss. That's 2 on the closing basis for a target of this zone. And if it comes here, I will take the trade for a target of, let's move to the daily chart, this 25366. Okay, that's for today's analysis. Thank you. One more thing guys, before taking a goodbye from you, that is, I am presenting before you a very simple form of analysis, and that's to simple price analysis. And I know many traders are already paralyzed by different types of analysis. They think that the complex one are better than the simpler one. As a market, they think are very complex. But I am giving you the opportunity with simple analysis, and that's too at the free of cost. So it's my earnest request to share this video to as many people as you can, as many of your friends traders as you can, and try to like and subscribe to these videos and push the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you. Thanks a lot.